Yeah, good evening, one and all present here. This is Logaraja, Professor, uh, Faculty of Civil Engineering. Um, this is a right platform to share our knowledge in civil engineering. Today we have planned to 5 days knowledge sharing session. Today, first day, Mr. Ganesh Kumar going to discuss about a glass fiber reinforced gypsum panel. This importance. What are the applications are there in the glass fiber reinforced gypsum panel? So, this main aim of this meet to everyone to share our knowledge, whatever knowledges we have, we're ready to share with us, and then to develop our knowledge and our skills. That's what I am. I create. I initiated the this event and this program. So now I hand over the session to Mr. Ganesh Kumar. Please over to you, Ganesh.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your words.
Thank you.
Hi, hello, friends. I am S. Ganesh Kumar from Sedu Institute of Technology, going to present about GFRG panel. Anyone knows about what is mean by GFRG? Anyone knows what is the mean by GFRG? Can unmute your mic and say. Let's take this session as an interactive session. Okay, no one. GFRG means glass fiber reinforced gypsum panel or rapid wall. It including construction field. If you are renovating your house or a building from a scratch, then you might have to come across a GFRG panel. It's a new trend or technique. GFRG panel stands for glass reinforced gypsum. These panels are made up of gypsum plaster from that. It is more durable and overall. The people in the construction all refers to these panels as rapid walls, invented in 1919 in early Australia. In the materials use has been increasing all over the world due to its properties. However, one should aware of the properties and advantage and disadvantage of certain material in the construction field helps to decide you. This is the typical dimension of GFRG panel, 12 cross 3 cross 0.17 meter, which weighs around 1.6 tons. It provides with the 4 cavities within 1 meter of the panel, so that after constructing and construction of after construction of foundation, you over the foundation you can lay the panel. In the cavities you can fill the concrete. Manufacture and transport of GFRG panels. As it is in large and very huge materials, the the transportation and manufacture is kindly it's very tough. The manufacture of GFRG is done in semi-automatic plant, which has obtained from Surrey by heating and calcinated of raw gypsum. The calcination of raw gypsum is mixed with water, white cement, and certain chemicals like D50 retarder and BS94 in a mixture. Different layers of slurries are spread over a table and are intercepted with glass fibers and aluminum plugs. After a half an hour or so, that aluminum plugs are removed and the panels are sent to the dryer. GFRG panel is transported from factories via trucks or trains. It must be ensured that panels are a vertical position, or else it may cause any damage. Application of GFRG panels. GFRG panels in lightweight. It can be both. We can done as a load bearing wall and a partition wall, as a roof and slab and horizontal roof, as a component of wall and security, as pitching roof, as cabling in industry structures. Construction with GFRG panels. The construction of process with plinth level remains as with the conventional method. No special foundation is required for the installation of GFRG panels. Concrete belts are built at a plinth area, protruding iron rods, which are meant to strength and interlocking with the cells of panel. GFRG panels are appropriate precision using mechanical means. For construction of GFRG panels, we should have a skilled labor. The hollow cavities are filled with, as I said before, hollow concrete are filled with reinforced as per the requirement and the strength of the panel. Generally, concrete is filled with the third cavity on a separate panel. Remains can be filled with the waste material. And this GFRG panel is very cost effective because level of the concrete and the reinforcement rod is less comparatively normal mean method. This is how the laborers work in the field. Just they will lay the plinth beam and they will further they will construct the panels in the dimension of the building area. Advantages of GFRG panel: quick construction, fire resistant, economical, earthquake resistant, strength and durability. Water resistance, more corporate area. Since the thickness of the wall made with the GFRG panels is less than 5 inch when we compared with the conventional wall. Conventional wall is about 9 inches and this is about 5 inches. 4 inches you can save by using GFRG panel. Water resistance. Certain chemicals are added during the mixture of the manufacture of GFRG panels and make it impervious to attack of water. Cooler than the conventional building. When compared with conventional building materials, GFRG panels keep your building cooler up to 4 degrees. Earthquake and resistance. GFRG panels has found to be a successful resisting impact of earthquakes. Of 50 semic zone on their panels can be turned into a shear wall as well as fire resistant. GFRG panels are 15 to 20% moisture of its own weight, which largely reduces the surface and temperature and resistance to fire. Economical. It reduces up to 50 to 35% of using of sand and masonry work materials, etc. Limitations of GFRG panels. The panels are required handled to be extreme care. Specified machinery is needed to therefore movements. The panels cannot be also with the circular or higher curvature areas. The panels needed neatly stacked in order to avoid absorption. The clear span is limited to for residential building of 5 meters. Conclusion. Construction projects are bounded by time constraints. It's up to contractor to innovate and come upon with new materials designed to be overcome this restriction while staying true to the specification of the plan. GFRG has approved to be effective in all aspects of construction, especially in the time and cost. Thank you. If you have any queries, kindly unmute your mic and ask.
Look.
Yes, sir.
No query, Mr. Logaraja.
Actually, Mr. Ganesh Kumar from second year civil engineering student. So first of all, he already studying the basic fundamental of the building materials. That's what he started the started presentation in the name of GFRG. So please,
Okay.
Then if you have any suggestions or any comments, please.
Okay. Yeah, nice presentation. Is he second year student?
Yeah, yes sir.
Okay, fine. Keep it up, super.
Thank you,
sir. Actually, Ganesh Kumar, in the GFRG panel already engaged இருக்கா நம்ம in Tamil Nadu?
Yes, sir. Even Madurai itself there, sir.
Oh, okay.
Madurai நிறைய பேர் பண்றாங்க sir GFRG.
Actually, GFRG panels not available in Tamil Nadu, I think. See, it's available in Kerala.
To brick cost, the transportation cost is what to say, sir. Parallelly, they are equal, so they are not importing the GFRG panels here, sir.
Okay. See, when you are visiting IIT Madras, they are constructed in the
GFRG buildings.
Low cost construction building. They are constructed G+2. It's fully constructed by the GFRG, glass fiber reinforced gypsum panel. It's made from the panel made from the Kerala. Actually, initially they are GFRG introduced in Australian and abroad countries. They are introduced that kind
Yes,
of
sir.
panel.
They are the founder of
Uh,
GFRG panels, sir. Australia.
Yes, yeah, Australia. So nowadays in our Tamil Nadu also we are using this kind of panel because main aim of this panel means cost effective and economical ways. We can, if you want to construct the building, we need to um, prefer this kind of panel. But in our Tamil Nadu, not much laborers are there for
Yes,
skilled
sir. We are
laborers
not having skilled laborers, sir.
skill
That's
level.
the
That is the main
major problem.
drawback of the uh, problem.
Constructing
Okay.
the panels, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Mm. Okay. Anyhow, very good presentation, Ganesh Kumar.
Thank
Wish
you,
you
sir.
all the very best for your great future. Uh,
Thank you, sir.
Mr. I am very happy to introduce my close friend, Mr. Gladson. He is working
Okay, sir.
a structural engineer in oil and gas in Mumbai. One of the
Oh, fine,
structural
sir.
engineer.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay, sir.
Now your presence is a very. I am very happy to presence in our meet and today.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for coming to
Thank
this
you, sir.
session.
Thank you for
Uh,
organizing.
Okay, okay. Welcome, welcome.
okay, sir. Uh, okay. Shall we wind up the session?
Okay.
Okay, see you, Logaraja. Bye.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Bye,
Thank
bye.
you,
Take
everyone.
care.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Okay, bye. Okay.